hosting our 34th annual Scholarship and Distinguished Alumni event, or our celebration. So it's a celebration of all of the scholarship recipients as well as our alumni. We're awarding 5 distinguished alumni, and they range from studying with us back in 1974 all the way to the year 2000. And we're giving out 252 scholarships with a total of $601,000 this year.
The financial aid that is distributed by the foundation is phenomenal. The community has really responded and made lots of donations, and the foundation works hard to raise money. And it was great to see those students walk across the stage with some help. But the fact that there are so many of them now, and when she told the total in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, that really makes you proud of how far this institution has come.
This was my first time. I'm an international student in the United States, and this is my first scholarship that I'm getting. And I feel so excited because it will help me a lot on my financial things, and I can more focus on my education with this scholarship. And I'm thankful for whoever give me this scholarship, the donation. Yeah, it is a very big deal, and it means a lot for me and for my education.
Oh, it's incredible. It really is. I mean, I always say this to my board of directors, that this is our Super Bowl of the year. You know, we just come out and we get the opportunity to award students the life-changing experience of an education. So it's unbelievable. And the feeling and the gratitude that I have for my donors, it's beyond anything that I could ever put into words.
What an honor. It's been so long since I graduated from Central Texas College, and so many distinguished people have come along since then. Just the group that I was inducted with, I was very fortunate. My employer and my parents paid my way and my books, and so I didn't have to have a student loan. I never applied for a scholarship. I don't know if they even existed then.
CTC is pretty much better quality education with affordable fee for the international students as compared to other, and it provides us scholarship, which will help you a lot on your financial stuff, because it will motivate inside. It not only help with the financial stuff, but it will encourage you to study more, to take more credits so that you can complete your degree.
What a life, you know, how lucky am I to live and work in this community and be able to see the changes and, be recognized for the work that I do.